all present here, and this is Surya. Please welcome to Kings and Songs. We are going to solve the API test using the Postman. This Postman, it's nothing but the API introduces the distribution features and subtopics and the linear message. Postman involves the sending HTTP request to the server and verify each and every response one by one. The Postman is a popular API development and testing tool to use. Each and every test APIs comes under the request of get, post, put, and delete. Already we saw in the previous section, and the validate each and every response along with the status bar. So each and every debug backend services comes with the automated API testing. It improves the developer, ensures API works under the before integrating each and every front end and backend process. And this history version is Postman and launched as a Chrome extension, and later it is a standalone desktop application to use features like collections, automated testing, environmental variables, and API monitoring. And the current version supports it comes with the team collaboration, cloud synchronous, API documentation, automated each and every test scripts. The Postman is now widely used in the industry of API development lifecycle. Okay, clear? And the features, some of the features are supporting all HTTP methods. Second one, user-friendly interface and JSON and XML response viewer and the automated test script with the JavaScript environmental variables. And it comes API documentation generation, collections of each and every runners and authentication supports that will be JWT, OAuth and basic auth. So this comes under each and every process. Okay. And subtopic, first thing we want to install the Postman, and second thing sending the get request to each and everything. Third thing sending the post request by one without any asynchronous problem using heads and sending JSON body and testing the status of each and every code, how it has been sent and what are the problems has been handled in there, and writing the test script and how the testing has been done and the testing process has been moved along with this using environmental variables comes under the testing authentication APIs using the environmental variables. So the testing authentication APIs will be proper and it comes under the Postman things. An example, testing a get API with a local host 3000 users. Step 1, open the Postman. Step 2, select the get. 3, enter URL, and 4, click send. So each and every expected response will comes under ID, number 1, name, and job. So it comes under the open Postman, send, get, and enter URL and click send. So these are the things that will be getting each and every APIs. This APIs will be response and JSON format also will be pakka in each and everything. And real life application settlements. First thing, checking the e-commerce product APIs. Second thing, validating payment API. Third one, testing login APIs. Fourth one, testing JWT authentications. And fifth one, performing testing APIs. So this comes under the Postman to test productions and staking APIs. Okay. And I have given one more example with the linear search. Example API using the linear search. So first thing, ID. So already we have created the ID and the name of the student and faculty. And PST001 app.get. It comes with the user ID request and response. This parenthesis insert the integers with the request parameter ID. So let it know about I equal to 0, I is greater than user, and the length is increasing one by one. If the user comes under the ID, it's a return response JSON user I. And the request status, if we send user not found, testing man will be coming with the send request user 1 and 2. Verify each and every returns along with the corrected copy of 404 for invalid IDs. And here I have given the mind map, API testing and using Postman. API method, it comes under the 4 category: get, post, put, and delete. And a header with the body JSON. Second one, status codes. Third one, test scripts, and fourth one, authentication. So these all under the testing companies with the Postman APIs. These APIs will help with the HTTP methods to enlarge the state codes and the status codes, and the script and authentications will be explained in. And puzzles, post request but request body is empty. Why could be wrong? Missing the content application, JSON header, and missing express JSON. The express JSONs will be a database that comes with a middleware with the body not selected as JSON. So finally, I have given the tutorial video reference book, and tomorrow's interaction, that is authentication JWT. What is a JWT? JSON web token. This web token uses to structure each and everything with a header, payload, and the signature. Okay. And finally, we have the token for authentication readers. So after this things process has been completed, we move the testing JWT authentication is Postman. We will implement each and every secure login system by JWT. Okay. Thank you all.